Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jessamine Ochoa here. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell notifications so that you get a reminder every time I post a new video. Make sure to like this video and leave your comments below. So in this video, I'm going to be pretty much talking about the moving process. We're in the process of moving to a new apartment in the Bay Area. We're actually moving to the Silicon Valley because of my boyfriend's work. So right now we're in the process of moving, we're packing everything up and all of that. So I just wanted to bring you guys along for the journey. Simple, small apartment, but we love it so much. We're gonna miss it a lot. These are some things that I'm gonna donate. This is the living room area. Our couches, we're gonna sell. We're gonna sell that little side table as well. As you can see, we packed up already some of our clothes. We did vacuum seal method because we had so many clothes. That way it's easier to store them and carry them in the moving process. This is my boyfriend's little office area that he set up. Bedroom. I started packing some of my things from my desk, my vanity, which right now it's a lot of stuff going on. I have to clean that up. Hello everyone, this is Jessamine here. We're enjoying a beautiful afternoon here in Goleta. We're by the beach. This is one of our favorite places. We come here to eat and just relax and enjoy the day. Today's a beautiful Sunday and we're just enjoying here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys around. Jessamine here. So just a little bit of an update on the moving process. I have been selling a lot of my furniture, especially the storage shelves and the tables and all of that. I still have a few things to sell, like this bed that I still have to sell, and my couches and a few other things, but I'm on the process of getting those sold. And I just wanted to give you a little update of how it's coming along. So right now I am packing all of my shoes. You guys can see I do have a lot of shoes. This is my closet. So I'm getting all of the shoes from up there. I already packed like half of my clothes. I know it doesn't look like it, but half of it is already gone. Now I still have to pack the other half. And then I have to pack the rest of my shoes under there. So I'm right now packing them into this big luggage that we have, because that way they will stay pretty good and nothing will happen to them. So I think it's a good way to pack up the shoes. As you guys can see, I sold the storage units here, so now we just have our things on the floor. So just a little bit of an update there. Hi everyone, this is Jessamine here. I'm trying to be really quiet. I'm looking at the dissertation presentation for my boyfriend. He's presenting right now in the living room actually, and I'm gonna give him a surprise when he's done. So I'm here. It's not really good. Do this.
Woo! I'm a doctor!
Woo! Dr. Omid Rice.
It's close.
Close, 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 close.
Open?
Closed. Wait.
Open?
And now open.
Whoa! Congrats, grab.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, what are these?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
You like your surprise?
Aw, I do,
Mm-hmm. Congratulations, my baby.
Very cute. Okay.
How do you feel?
I feel relieved.
I like a doctor.
I feel relieved. You can start calling me doctor.
Mm-hmm. Good job, baby boy. You did a great, amazing job. My baby boy opening his fancy champagne bottle. Mm-hmm. You excited? Our favorites, birria nachos. We're watching a movie,
Like Christmas.
Christmas Chronicles 2. And everything's all packed up already. We're all ready to go. It's our last dinner here at our apartment.
Oh.
So my car is getting full. Trunk. Still have to fill the rest of the things in here. The apartment is all done, all empty. We're all finished. Our little bathroom. I'm gonna miss this little home. Our room. My makeup desk area. Closets. So we're leaving Santa Barbara. We're a bit sad but mostly excited for what's to come in our lives in Cupertino in the Bay Area. I'm happy to be close to my family now, and so we're just excited to move. The moving process is not fun, but I'm excited to decorate the new apartment and everything else. So yeah, I'll take you guys along to the journey so you guys can see the new apartment as well.
Hello. We're leaving.
Same in Santa Barbara.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I loved Santa Barbara. I loved the weather, the beaches, the people, the university, everything. We're gonna miss, especially this house for home. We're gonna really miss it. It's beautiful.
Small, but
small,
cozy.
but yeah, definitely cozy. And
we
we had a lot of fun here. And we're gonna definitely miss it, but looking forward to bigger and better homes.
Yeah, I'm excited for Cupertino and the Bay Area to be close to my family. But yeah, I'm gonna miss Santa Barbara too, but it'll be a new stage in our lives.
New adventure.
Our new apartment. New appliances. You like it, baby boy?
Super beautiful.
Super beautiful.
Welcome home.
Our new home.
And
Welcome
finally,
home.
we have a dishwasher.
We finally have a dishwasher.
Nice.
We have both never had a dishwasher before.
No.
Our living room,
Decided to not wash the dishes anymore.
dining room. It's gonna be the desk area for my boyfriend. A little closet. Our bathroom. A little toilet.
It's actually
Our
a big space.
shower.
Look at this. Look at how big.
A lot of counter space.
Really nice mirror. We never had like a big mirror like this. A lot of storage space actually. That's amazing for a one bedroom apartment. I just
Another closet.
did a really good job.
You
So-
turn the light on?
There's no light in the bedroom. There's no light.
That's weird. In our bedroom.
Light here. But look at this.
And there's us. Are you excited, baby?
Coming.
Our big closets. Oh, nice.
Coming.
A lot of space.
And we have a gigantic backyard, which I'm so excited about. Putting barbecue table and maybe an umbrella, some chairs. Maybe sometimes even work from here. It's amazing. It's super clean. Look at the fan. It looks fancy.
For dinner.
Yours is like a mountain.
First dinner in our new apartment. We went to
dig in.
falafel.
We didn't get any falafel. We got
We
meat.
didn't get falafel.
All meat.
Chicken shawarma, pita, beef kebabs. With some pita.